Hello viewer. If you're thinking about investing in stocks, here are 3 things that you should know before you begin. There are plenty of companies listed on the stock exchange that will grow and expand over time, providing their investors with great returns on their investments. Investing in the 20s is most profitable. Guys, here I will share a few tips for your healthy financial future. So guys, I am Afzal, presenting video on tips for investments for beginners. So please watch completely. Let's Guys, let's understand the basics of investing. Investing involves buying shares of a company. The company will then use the money that you give them to help fund their operations. Once the company has generated a profit, they will use a portion of that profit to give you a portion of the profit in the form of a dividend. Friends, you can also sell your shares at any time if you wish to get your money back. When you buy shares in a company, you become a part owner of that company. For example, if you buy 0.1% share of Reliance, then you become 0.1% owner of Reliance. If a company is continuously growing, then you receive a share of profit as a dividend every year. Guys, do you know how does the stock market work? The stock market is a place where companies go to raise money by selling portions of themselves to investors. In India, we have Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange. When a company issues stocks, it is essentially selling portions of its future profits to investors. As you know, stock prices fluctuate constantly, which means that investors can buy low and sell high. The higher an investor's estimate of a company's future profits are, the more they are willing to pay for shares in that company. Investors also have different expectations about how much a company's stock price will change over time. For example, some investors might believe that a company's stock price will go up, while others might believe that it will go down. Friends, suppose I bought Adani Ports at 800 rupees, then I would make plan to sell at 900 per share. This will give me 100 per share profit. Guys, let's think about it. Which stocks should you invest in? What would be strategies to buy? And how to buy? Friends, there are plenty of great stocks to invest in, but you should only invest in stocks that you understand and trust. Such as Reliance, Tata stocks, Adani stocks. Investing in stocks is essentially betting on a company's ability to grow and expand. If you invest in a company whose products and services you use, you'll have a better understanding of how the company operates and what could cause it to thrive or struggle. You can also invest in companies whose products and services you don't use, but you should make sure to thoroughly research these companies before you invest. The first step to enter in the stock market. You have to open DMAT account with any popular broker, such as Zerodha, Grow, and Motilal Oswal. Link of account opening I will mention in description. Friends, now think, why does the stock market rise and fall? Guys, the stock market rises and falls based on investor sentiment. When more investors expect a company to flourish and expand, the company's stock price will increase. This type of market is known as a bullish market. The opposite will happen if investors feel less optimistic about a company's future. This type of market is called a bearish market. Friends, this investor sentiment is a tricky thing to predict. Investors can become greedy and optimistic, causing a bubble in the stock market that will eventually burst. They can also become fearful, causing a panic that will lead to a drop in stock prices across the board. Before going ahead, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Guys, I personally recommend you use Money Control application from Play Store. That will help you to know financial history of a company. It will also help you to predict prices of stocks that you are planning to buy. This is all about earning money through internet. If you want details of any way, make a comment in comment box. And please like, share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.